So good afternoon. We're looking at Coabit in Casares Golf and next to Finca Cortesin. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, ground floor. This is an elevated ground floor, south orientated. It was built in 2019, so it's really modern, very high specs. We can get the building specifications and a floor plan also. So as we walk in, you come into this bright and light, big living room, and with an open plan kitchen. All appliances are new, never been used. As you can see, high spec, granite top. It's a siltstone, compressed stone top. Plenty of drawers, dishwasher, washing machine, and cupboards. Access to terrace. Being an end unit, it's quite private. You're overlooking the pool here. And you even have a patch of garden. So what you see just above, we are just next to the golf course. So we're surrounded by golf. Good with the end units is obviously that they have windows in the bathrooms. Nice, big sliding doors. Built-in air conditioning, hot and cold. And here we are. First bedroom with built-in wardrobes. Now, this apartment has never been used, so it's brand new. Got second bedroom. There's double glazing, electric shutters. One bathroom with walk-in shower. It's got a really nice flow in the tilings. Master bedroom with ensuite again and walk-in shower. Very modern, minimalistic style. Of course, you can give it your own touch to it. You are about walking distance, 1.5 kilometers from the beach. Nearest restaurant is 3 minutes. It's the clubhouse. You've got pizzeria, you've got a really nice club and a gym also. So that's just around the corner from here. I'm going to leave the link below with the price tag and the pictures of all the property. For any additional questions, feel free to contact me. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.